everybody! Welcome to my channel, Dicas da Denise. My laptop is not old. It has a very good RAM, disk space, Microsoft 11 OS, always with the latest update. I started getting this creepy famous Microsoft blue screen of death, which they say soon it will be black, because it doesn't matter the color of the error message. Problem is still there. I did some research and followed each suggestion I found without success. The only solution was rebooting several times a day. Sometimes it helped for a short time. To avoid the distraction with two monitors, I use an external monitor and keyboard. I usually leave the laptop lid closed. But I decided to open, and opening it was super hot. Checking the cooler, it was working as always, but it wasn't enough. This year we are having an exceptionally hot summer. Till now I never had to worry about overheating. How did I solve this issue? First of all, I left the lid open, configured the display settings to show only the external monitor. Everything I was not using I disconnect. After doing that, especially leaving the lid open, the blue screen disappeared. When summer ends, I will test again with the lid closed and see what happens. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video. Bye!